Ito ang pinakabagong head unit for motorcycles ni CARABC, making rides a lot more convenient and better. Providing a seamless connection to your phone for music and navigation, as well as seeing important messages and notifications. Plus adding more safety and security dahil meron itong front and rear cameras with loop recording. So, let's talk more about it. This is the DM601 ng CARABC. What's new about it is detachable ang head unit. This time, it has a 6-inch touchscreen with quick function buttons. May kasama na front and rear camera, and depending sa package mo, may TPMS or tire pressure monitoring system na kasama. Pero for the one we got, walang TPMS. Installation is straightforward. No splicing required. You can do it yourself, pero para sa amin, we wanted professionals to do it. It directly connects to the battery and it has a 3-amp fuse. The unit automatically powers on when you turn on the ignition. Out of the box, ito ang laman, the main unit which is 6 inches wide, 2 cameras with easy-to-connect wiring, the 2 mounting options, one is for the handlebar and one is for the dedicated navigation brackets. So for this head unit, wala siyang kasamang TPMS sensor, kaya 0 bar lang ang nakikita dito sa tire pressure. Now, it also has a compass. Etong speedometer, this is based off sa GPS. And in case nakapark ka and something happens, the audio will be recorded. Kasi meron tong onboard na microphone. I highly recommend getting the one with the TPMS as it adds more convenience to your riding. Kasi alam mo anytime if your tire pressure is low, high, and even the tire temperature is determined. Now, even though meron tong quick release feature, pinag-isipan na ni CARABC na hindi basta-basta pwedeng tanggalin kasi meron na itong lock. At bukod doon, it is properly secured into place. This device has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity, making your motorcycle just like a modern car, giving the convenience na madali na mag-navigate, change music, or simply use the device as a rear camera for added safety. By the way, this has dual connectivity kaya pwede mo gamitin ito alongside your intercom for voice commands or simply answering message via voice. So this is connected via Bluetooth. It has adjustable brightness and yung screen nito is anti-glare na so that pag nasinagan ng araw, hindi ka masisilaw. This device has a micro SD slot wherein it loop records your rides. You can set the duration and as well as in any accidents in the parking lot, if the unit detects sudden movement, it will automatically record. And also, you can set the sensitivity. They claim na may 1080p camera ito and here are some footages from the cameras. You can see plate number details but as we observed, dahil may auxiliary lights ang motor, the front camera's mounting point should be moved to somewhere else para hindi nasisilaw ng reflection ng plate numbers. At night, ganito ang itsura, and if there's just the right amount of light, you will be able to see the plate number details with ease. Here is the meter display. You can see the motorcycle speed based on the GPS. Bigyan nyo na lang ng onting margin of error compared doon sa iyong speedometer. If you have the TPMS, the data also appears real-time on the screen. You can also check your average speed, the current distance that you're traveling, and other information that may be helpful for your riding. So yung GPS module nasa loob banda and it still works. So bukod meron itong playback feature ng mga recorded footages, there are 2 ways for you to export. First is using the Type-C port, or you can just get your memory card and use a computer. Ang DM601 is priced at $215 sa kanilang website, approximately 12k pesos, but you can use my code NEOCARABC to get an additional discount that you can use when purchasing. So that's it for our video for today. Let me know if you have any questions regarding the CARABC DM601. Just comment down below. Again, this is Neo. Thank you for watching. As always, ride safe and see you on the road.